This video will show you how easy it is to fry Baker Boy's frozen jumbo cinnamon strip dough. Baker Boy frozen donut dough should be kept frozen until ready to use. When ready to remove from the case, place cinnamon strips on a donut screen in 4x6 rows, leaving about 2 inches of space between them. When all strips are screened, place them in a rolling rack. Once you have all the varieties of donuts prepped and ready, place them in a cooler overnight for no less than 8 hours and no more than 12 hours. You may cover the rack with a rack bag cover to ensure freshness in the cooler. After 8 to 12 hours, remove the donut rack from the cooler. To make cinnamon twists, immediately roll and twist the cinnamon strip dough once it's out of the cooler. Then allow it to rest for 30 minutes. After this, place it in a proof box. The proof box should be set at about 95 degrees and 70 to 80% humidity. Allow cinnamon strip dough to proof until pieces are 3 times the original size. This can take anywhere between 40 and 60 minutes. Once the dough is fully proofed, remove the screens from the proof box and let them stand for 15 minutes at room temperature. Take the fully proofed cinnamon strip dough and gently lower the screen into the donut fryer. The donut fryer temperature should be set between 350 and 375 degrees. Cinnamon twists need to be fried for 1 minute before manually flipping with a wooden donut stick. After 1 more minute, flip the cinnamon twists again to ensure screen marks are on the bottom side. This improves the appearance and helps with grease control. At this point, immediately remove the cinnamon twists from the fryer and let the fryer oil drain off of them for 1 minute. Your last step is removing the fried cinnamon twists from the screen and placing them on a parchment-lined pan. For more information, visit bakerboy.com or contact us at hello@bakerboy.com.